नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम बेयर एक्ट जो आईपीसी का है वो पढ़ेंगे सेक्शन 1 से लेके 52A तक। जो इसकी प्रेम्बल है वो कहती है वेयर एज इट इज़ एक्सपीडियंट टू प्रोवाइड ए जर्नल पेनल कोड फॉर इंडिया इट इज़ एनेक्टेड एज फॉलोज। सो इट इज़ ए जर्नल पेनल कोड। सेक्शन फर्स्ट टाइटल एंड एक्सटेंट ऑफ ऑपरेशन ऑफ द कोड। दिस एक्ट shall be called the Indian Penal Code. नेम जो नाम है इसका वो है इंडियन पेनल कोड एंड shall extend to the whole of India. सेक्शन सेकंड पनिशमेंट ऑफ ऑफेंसेस कमिटेड विद इन इंडिया। सेक्शन सेकंड जो है वो इज रिलेटेड टू इंट्रा टेरिटोरियल जुडिक्शन ऑफ द कोड। एवरी पर्सन शैल बी लाइबल to punishment under this code and not otherwise for every act or omission contrary to the provision thereof of which he shall be guilty within India. Thereafter section 3 punishment of offences some committed beyond but which by law may be tried within India. Any person liable by any Indian law to be tried for an offence committed beyond India shall be dealt with according to the provisions of this code for any act committed beyond India in the same manner as if such act had been committed within India. Section 4 extension of code to extraterritorial offences. The provisions of this code apply also to any offence committed by any citizen of India in any place without and beyond India, any person on any ship or aircraft registered in India wherever it may be, any person in any place without and beyond India committing offence targeting a computer resource located in India. Explanation in this section, the word offence include every act committed outside India which if committed in India would be punishable under this code. The expression computer resource shall have the meaning assigned to it in clause K of subsection 1st of section 2 of the IT Act 2000. Thereafter illustration, A who is citizen of India commits a murder in Uganda, he can be tried and convicted of murder in any place in India in which he may be found. Thereafter section 5 certain laws not to be affected by this act. Nothing this act shall affect the provision of any act for punishing mutiny and desertion of officer, soldier, sailor or airman in the service of government of India or the provisions of any special or local law. Chapter 2 General explanation definition in the code to be understood subject to exception. Throughout this code, every definition of an offence, every penal provision, every illustration of every such definition or penal provision shall be understood subject to the exceptions contained in chapter entitled General Exceptions, though those exceptions are not repeated in such definition, penal provision or illustration. Section 7 Sense of expression. One shall explain every expression which is explained in any part of this code is used in every part of this code in conformity with the explanation. Gender, the pronoun he and its derivative are used of any person whether male or female. Number unless the contrary appears from the context. Word importing singular number include the plural number and words importing the plural number include the singular number. Man, woman, the word man denotes a male human being of any age. The word woman denotes a female human being of any age. The word person includes any company or association or body of person whether incorporated or not. Public, the word public includes any class of public or any community.